Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, lived Eco-Ellie, a spirited little girl who had a magical power, the power to clean up pollution. Eco-Ellie loved playing in the meadows and splashing in crystal clear streams. But one day, something strange happened. The skies turned smoky, and the water became gooey. Eco-Ellie discovered 3 mischievous pollution monsters, meadow, watery goo, and trashed It was time to use her magical power. She waved her hands and cast a spell: reduce, reuse, recycle. Trashzilla was baffled and started cleaning up the mess. Eco-Ellie didn't stop there. She planted trees to slow down meadow and saved water to outsmart watery goo. With a lot of hard work and a little magic, Eco-Ellie defeated the pollution monsters, and the meadow returned to its glorious beauty. And so, our young hero, Eco-Ellie, taught everyone that together, we can conquer pollution and keep our planet a magical place to live. Thanks for joining us on Eco-Ellie's magical adventure. Remember, we can all be heroes and protect our planet from pollution. Until next time, stay green and